Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Eddie. Thank you today for joining me today for another vlog. Today I am heading to the DMV, the dreaded DMV. I don't like this angle, but this is what I have to work with. My mount right now, because of the sun, for some reason is not sticking to the glass, and if it does, it's extremely wobbly. But in any case, we're heading now to the DMV, back to my hometown, or I should say my home city, the Bronx. I'm going there a little late because, as I remember, going late is the best time because nobody really wants to go at the last minute. I know it sounds kind of weird, but it's true. But yeah, today we are registering the 350Z. Luckily, I have my title in hand. I've already done the insurance cards, and also I got the form as I just showed you guys a little while ago. So we're pretty much good to go. I am super excited though to be having this 350Z now registered, because man, it's been a while since I've been driving her. Probably over a year and a half maybe it's been. She's been sitting there just collecting dust, not being utilized. And yeah, it's a 350Z. It's supposed to be utilized, to get my drift, but yeah. But I wanted to register her today because I wanted to have her up by Saturday, ready for inspection. Because as you know, when you go in for the inspection, especially if you just changed out your battery or you haven't driven the car for quite some time, you have to allow the ECU some time to run its cycle in order to pass the emissions test. So yeah, right now it's like about the middle of the week, and I have about 2 or 3 more days, well actually 2.5 more days to get the 350Z on the road, run the cycle, you know, 55 miles per hour on the highway. I don't remember what it was, but yeah, I gotta run that cycle. That way I can have it ready by Saturday so I can pass the inspection. Oh no! There is traffic on the way home. Thankfully I saw this because now I could go another route. Oh my God. Well, I guess the thing with going so late in the day is that you get the work traffic. Everybody's coming home, so get out of the DMV quicker, but then you have to deal with traffic. So you never win, right? You can never win. But that's totally fine. I don't mind that, because being in the DMV is 10 times worse. At least in my car I can listen to the music, talk to you guys. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put the camera down, enjoy the drive, hit the DMV, and I'll see you there.
From outside of the office, and you can make it back inside of the building by 4 p.m. Please do so now. Once the doors are closed and locked, you will not be allowed to re-enter the building for any reason, even if you
And that's the application. You see me? Ooh. My Uber. Damn, you even did the front tent?
Sometimes you can do it like
That's nice, bro. Now that's just no tune.
It's pure anti-lag right there.
Damn. I'm jealous right now. I don't got that pop. turbo light. Damn. Alright, bro, thanks for being my temporary Uber. Appreciate it. Alright guys, so we now, maybe I should turn off the radio. Don't want no copyright. But yeah guys, we're good to go now. We got the car registered, the 350Z is ready to go. What you saw inside right now, I don't know if I'll do a voiceover, but just in case I don't, my effective date on my insurance for some reason was tomorrow. So I had to call them. Luckily, they let me stay in DMV after closing to resolve this. Shout out to the Bronx DMV, because let me tell you, I know of other DMVs that if it's 30 minutes before closing, they won't touch you at all. So, called insurance. They were like, all right, we'll take care of this. We'll fax it over, boom, boom. And by the grace of God, everything was done in one piece. We got the fax over, got the plates immediately. You can go. So now I'm on the way home. Can't wait. I'm super excited to put the plates on this car and maybe drive it around. I don't know. Let's see the drivability on the car. Because as you know, the rims are bent, so can't really drive it around too much. But yeah, I'm just so excited. Tomorrow, I'm going to go ahead and put on the rims. That way we can really drive it around. Then maybe this weekend we'll go ahead and do the brakes, but of course that'll be on later vlogs, so stay tuned, of course. But yeah guys, I don't know why I'm so excited. You know why? Maybe because I haven't drove her in so long. But yeah, now I'm stuck in traffic. Wasting time. Oh boy, I hate being on the road and having to use the bathroom. While I was bored out of my mind in DMV, watching YouTube videos, I drank like half this bottle. And now I gotta go to the bathroom, but now I'm stuck in work traffic. It's 5 o'clock. Of course it couldn't kick in when I was in DMV. I has to do it afterwards, but whatever. Still super excited about the 350Z though. Alright guys, so as you know, I had to use the bathroom badly, so I just had to run inside for a brief moment, but I just wanted to grab the keys as well, that way we can go check out the 350Z and hopefully put it on the road today, so that way we can drive away and enjoy it for the day. Got those plates. Honda, I guess you're getting free promotion from your competitor. Nissan. It's just for now, calm down. Oh shit. Well, you know it's more rice here than me right now. Gotta tighten up a few more things. Alright, let's see how we do this. Installed tomorrow, hopefully, so I think I'll just leave them out here in front. All right. So here she goes. Look at how beautiful. Can't wait to change out the rims, rebuild the motor. Oh, so much to come. Gonna fix this here and this here and that there and this there. It's all gonna be fixed, but it's so good to have her out right now. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead, put the tires away, put the box away, put her in. Well, put those tires in, and then we should be good to go. Go on a nice little test drive together. Honda of New Rochelle, another free promotion. Now start charging. Now I just got to take my razor blade. Hopefully I put one in here. Yes. Oh, bad quality, but can you see that? Anyway, to do the registration, of course. So, actually, I just got to zip tie the water line hose. Let me show you. So here, there's no fender liners at all. Here they obviously ripped out, but my windshield wiper fluid line here is very close to the tire. So I don't want to have any damage there, so I'm just going to go ahead and zip tie it to the top. That way it can hold it in place and avoid any damage. Oh my god, do you guys see what that is? My car gave birth to a bunch of spiders or something. What? Ooh, that's scary. Let me see if I can grab that out. Here's Alright guys, so we're a bit on E right now. We're just going to go ahead and fill up, that we could get it back on the road. So of course, I'm not used to this. My gas is on the other side of the car. Alright guys, so we're now back home. It feels like it's been a very long day. Well, it is about maybe 6 o'clock right now. So guys, there's definitely a lot more where this came from, because we are going to be building up the 350Z and I have a lot of things planned. And you're going to see it in small episodes as we go along. But definitely, if you enjoyed this vlog, definitely give it a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. That way you can stay tuned for all the latest episodes, all the latest vlogs, the latest build. And at the end of the day, let's have a good time together. So yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and cook some dinner right now. I hope you guys truly enjoyed this vlog. And like always, think for the future, enjoy your present, and don't focus too much on the past. Peace.